Okay, I am on the Crucial.com website, and if you are looking for memory upgrade, click right here on memory, and you will get a couple of options. Over on the right there is a system scanner, and you can download this, or you can put in over here your manufacturer. Let's say it's a Dell, and we'll go to the next one, select what it is. Let's say we have an Optiplex, and it is an Optiplex desktop. So let's say we have a 780. We'll go down this list until we find a 780 desktop. Click on that. Click on Find Memory, and it's going to give you some options. Now, if you have a 32-bit system, you can click right here, View More Compatible Memory Upgrades, and with 32-bit you are limited to 4 gigabytes of memory. So here is one. This is a 4 gigabyte stick that is just one memory stick with 4 gigabytes. Here's another 4 gigabyte. It's two 2 gigabyte memory sticks, and this one says it's a DDR3L. This one says it's a DDR3, and the only difference between this is these two are the voltage. And I have talked to Crucial, and Crucial tells me that either one works in this particular computer because it will self-adjust to the correct voltage. Now let's try something else. I'm just going to exit out of this, and well, I'll just minimize it. I'll leave it there, minimize it. Now I have downloaded that scanner, and I have in here I have a Crucial Memory Upgrade folder. Click on that, click on the scan, and it's going to go through and scan my computer. So I don't need this anymore. Scan in progress, it says. So it's looking at the computer to determine the compatible memory. So let's give it time here to run through these. Okay, it's still working, and we'll see. Okay, it goes through and it looks at my computer. Acer Aspire 7741 compatible upgrade, and here is what it tells me, that right there I can upgrade to 4 gigabytes. And here is a 8 gigabyte kit. It is 2 4 gigabyte DDR3L, and what I can do is show you exactly what I have. I'll click on Start, click on Control Panel. I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to close this all out. Go here, click on Control Panel. Let's see if I can get Control Panel. There's Control Panel. Now I need to simply go to, whoops, it jumped there. I want to go to System. Stay steady. Okay, here it goes into System. I have installed memory of 8 gigabytes. This is a 64-bit Windows 7 operating system, Home Premium. So that is basically how you can do your memory search upgrade, and you can order memory. So if you have a Windows 7 computer that's a 32-bit, you can go to 4 gigabytes of memory. So I hope that helps people.